To compare best places neighborhood rankings. Start by understanding what the rankings represent. Best Places is a website that provides detailed information about cities and neighborhoods across the United States, including cost of living, crime rates, education, and overall quality of life. The neighborhood rankings are based on a combination of these factors, with each neighborhood assigned a score out of 100. First, identify the neighborhoods you want to compare. You can do this by searching for specific neighborhoods on the Best Places website or by browsing through their list of cities and neighborhoods. Once you have selected the neighborhoods, look at their overall scores and compare them. A higher score indicates a better quality of life. Next, consider the individual factors that make up the overall score. Best Places provides detailed information on cost of living, crime rates, education, and other factors for each neighborhood. Compare these factors across the neighborhoods you are interested in to get a more nuanced understanding of their relative strengths and weaknesses. For example, if you are comparing two neighborhoods with similar overall scores, you may find that one has a lower cost of living but a higher crime rate. This information can help you make a more informed decision about which neighborhood is the best fit for your needs and priorities. It is also important to consider the methodology used by Best Places to calculate their rankings. The website uses a combination of data from the U.S. Census, the FBI, and other sources to calculate their scores. Understanding the methodology can help you put the rankings into context and make more informed comparisons. Finally, keep in mind that neighborhood rankings are just one factor to consider when evaluating a neighborhood. Other factors, such as commute time, access to amenities, and personal preferences, should also be taken into account. By considering multiple factors and sources, you can get a more complete picture of a neighborhood and make a more informed decision about where to live.